Yo, bro.
What is up, guys? The camera mob's on my back. Whoa, why are you like a block?
Shimmy,
Oh.
Guys, I have the halo. I have the camera, man.
Guys,
I have the halo.
Hey,
I have the halo.
stop!
It's so
Get away
cool.
from my
I
camera!
have it too.
Get away! Get away!
Guys, look at these red
Ah!
I'm gonna buy Roblox headless. Halo guy, Halo
Is this
guy.
my
You like my
mini?
Halo?
Yeah.
Halo guy, do you like my Halo?
Suitcase or my big suitcase? Shimmy, shimmy, yeah, shimmy, yeah, shimmy, oh. Dre, fa la la la.
My boy.
Shimmy, shimmy, yeah, shimmy, yeah, shimmy, oh. Dre, fa la la la. Shimmy, shimmy, yeah, shimmy, yeah, shimmy, oh. Dre, fa la la la.
But I don't know why this one's sussy, fellas.
Who said
Shimmy,
crackers
shimmy, yeah,
taste
shimmy,
so
yeah, shimmy,
yum?
oh. Dre, fa la
Yo,
la
dude,
la.
look.
Where's
Guys, this has so
Mr.
much
Blubby's
OG stuff.
friend? Where's Mr. Blubby's friend? Is this
Oogity,
friend?
smoogity, boogity.
Yeah, it's kind of.
Oogity, smoogity, boogity. Oogity, smoogity, boogity. Woo! Shimmy, shimmy, yeah, shimmy, yeah, shimmy, oh. Dre, fa la la la. Shimmy, shimmy, yeah, shimmy, yeah, shimmy, oh. Dre, fa la la la. Shimmy, shimmy, yeah, shimmy, yeah, shimmy, oh. Dre, fa la la la. I see the crystal raindrops fall, and the beauty of it all is when the sun comes shining through to make those rainbows in my mind. When I think of you sometime, and I wanna spend some time with you.
Like everybody has it.
Little Jimmy.
The neck and if we try just the two. Just the two of us, building castles in the sky. Just
Yeah, me too. I just cracked my
just the two of us, you and I. Oh! I'm falling from the sky and I don't know what to side. I don't even know what that word is. I am falling from the sky and I really want to shy.
Lightning! Stop playing with the
from the
cords!
sky and I wish I could fly.
Oh, you wish you could fly?
Yeah. Wait, I know how to fly. I see the crystal raindrops fall and the beauty of it all.
This is how you fly.
Ah! Oh.
This is how you fly. Ready, guys?
I see the crystal raindrops fall and the beauty of it all. Ah!
That didn't work properly, but... Does anybody have any OG stuff? I'm gonna keep throwing these with my, I feel, $14,000. Snowballs!
To make those rainbows in my mind when I think of you sometime. Oh, wait. I'm gonna check out my fan
Yo, look,
code
it's
to
a
see if
backpack.
everyone's there. Whoa!
Why are you playing
helicopter?
games, bro?
I see the crystal raindrops fall.
I'm listening. Bro, I'm gonna turn on my speaker and listen to Loser Dreams, guys. Why are you listening to Loser Dreams, dude?
Bird! Bird! Everyone say hi to this guy. Oh.
Lightning! Stop it!
Everyone, comment W
Stop it!
frog in
Okay,
the
can you
comments.
change your
Comment
day when
W
my
frog.
face you? Each year said, then I thought you were the one. Listen to my heart instead of my head. Even
Everyone comment W singer. Everyone comment W
Get
singer.
me. Only your shadows in my room. Can't take back the love that I gave you.
Hold
To
the camera
point
and bring
where
him around with
loving I
you.
meet you, but I cannot change you, so I must
Take the
replace
camera and
you.
hold it. Bro,
No,
no, my camera, my camera. No, I'm recording on this, bro. I'm recording on this. I'm recording on this. I'll give the camera to everyone here if you please.
Can you do me a favor and throw away everything that is rare to you?
Yo! You, stand still. I'm not gonna.
Ace, did you hang up? Yeah? Do you want to hang up?
No.
I'm just gonna mute my mic.
Well, thank you for letting me draw this away into also.
Shadows in my room. Can't take back the love that I gave you. To the point where I love and I hate you and I can replace you. Oh.
It's not rare. I can get it right now.
Dead. Your skeleton.
I didn't want to
Take this. Oh, wait. Bro, give it back. You wanna know something, guys? I'm gonna despawn it.
Join me.
How do you record on it?
Because I have one. I just don't know how to record on mine.
Good luck, bro. You can't put it on ray guns.
Yo, can I do some stuff?
Yo.
I can dupe 10 times now. I can dupe like 10 stuff.
Yo, I need you.
How?
I need you to hold this camera for me. Please do not take it, because I can despawn it out your hand.
Can I hold it?
There's my
Okay,
camera.
ready?
Hey.
Can I hold it?
Yo, bro.
Here we do a challenge. Everyone, try and get the camera.
Okay.
Somebody got it.
No, they didn't.
I don't like this game. I don't like this game anymore.
Yo, who wants
Yo,
to
bro,
take
I
hold
got
of
a
my
camera
camera and
too.
say hi to the viewers for a minute?
Wait, how do you record on
For a
yours?
minute. Wait, how do you get it? How do you get the camera mod?
Don't tell
Okay.
anyone. Don't tell anyone.
This is the real camera. You're holding the fake one. I see the crystal raindrops.
No, tell me how to get it.
I can see it on my phone or iPad right now.
Bro,
No,
bro, I
so you're
can hear
holding
you
it.
and see.
Yo,
Ew.
who wants
told you
this
how to get it
camera to say
yesterday.
hi to my viewers?
I searched it up and it
How do you record
You
on
can like
yours?
bring it. Yo, bro, you don't have the real camera. Here's the real camera. Take him around. Take him around and say hi. Turn it the other way and take him around and say hi. Because they can't see. Yeah, now they can see you. Take him around and explain to them who you are. So,
Guys, should I play Fiend on my laptop?
Guys, I'm gonna play Fiend.
I just got the new camera mod.
I see the crystal raindrops and the beauty of it all. Yo, you better treat this guy nicely, bro. Oh shit! Oh shit! Rachel, yeah, kaboom!
Oh, my controller.
Rachel,
So guys, wait, stay in your RPGs.
Yo, you can't leave lobbies with it.
Yeah, I know. You
Hey
can
guys,
join
so
private with it.
I'm gonna be exposing this guy right here. He's canceled now.
No!
And he's just going up my butt.
Yo, look at it. Yo, record it. Oh, darn it. Yo, bro, are you trying to steal my RPG?
Kaboom!
Behind you? Behind you? Behind you, skeleton?
Raise your yaw, kaboom! Raise your yaw, kaboom!
I'm gonna get a picture of the.
Raise your
the-
yaw, kaboom!
Raise your kaboom!
Raise your yaw, kaboom!
I'm gonna put it in my stats.
Skibbity dop dop
No, I
dop, yes,
can't
yes,
do it.
skibbity dop dop, wait.
I know I can't, but like,
Give me this
worth
back.
a try.
Bro, watch this. I'm done. Don't touch my camera. 360 angle. Wait, no.
Give me.
I'll give it to you in a second. Let me talk to my viewers.
Look at me
Real quick.
Look at me.
No, I want to talk to it.
record.
Yo, Kaiser, I can give you my camera. Kaiser, I can just give you my camera. Here, Kaiser.
I want it by myself.
Okay,
I want it
so guys, I'm gonna give you
look at
to
me
a new person this time in
I'm
the
gonna
server.
join my
So-
friend, and I'm gonna dupe with him. Okay.
You like my Halo, by the way?
My
No
cousin.
flex, just do you like my Halo?
You can still get Halo, by the way.
Yeah, I know.
No, you
I'm not dumbass. All right, on to the next dumbass. We're gonna show giggity giggity goo. On to the next person that's gonna be interviewing with you guys. Oogity boogity boo.
I like doo-doo.
Give my camera back.
I don't know.
Trick or
Welcome.
treat, trick or
Welcome.
treat, smell my feet.
Welcome
Give me
to
something
Cantonese
good to
frog.
eat.
Here, eat the camera.
Can I have my Kaiser? Can I have my camera back, Kaiser?
Oh, hell no!
Yo, guys, tell me what's down my throat, okay?
Give my camera back now. Kaiser, give me my camera back.
Tell me what's down my throat.
Kaiser, give me my camera back, bro.
Tell me what's up my ass.
Give his camera back.
What's up
Kaiser,
there?
give my camera back.
If you have any useless items, I can throw in lake, which is what I do with the giant normal suitcase. Give it to me so I can throw it in lake.
Raise your yah kaboom. Raise your yah kaboom.
Guys, it's time to play Fiend on my computer and see how loud it gets, guys.
I just left my camera for someone to take and start talking to the viewers, but I'm gonna take it back. Raise your yah
Yeah, can I
kaboom.
do some stuff? Can somebody let me do?
Alright, on to the
Can you
next
can
dumbass
you
you
give
guys
every
are gonna
single
be
stupid
talking to.
dupe item you
Yo,
you
right.
have so I can throw it in lake?
Bring my
Okay,
camera back
That's
to
what
me.
I have to throw in lake because it's dog sand. It's Pop 80 Now company ass cheeks.
Guys, I'm also holding the
Who
camera
has
like
my
this so you can
camera?
see what I see.
Alright.
Yo,
Don't throw
White,
down lake at me.
White,
Yo, bro, who has
say
my
hi to the
camera?
viewers. Take hold of the camera and
that my
walk around the place and explore. Yeah,
This one's my camera.
it's recording right now, so you can say hi to them.
Whoever's ever listening to this, please help me get rid of every single Galaxy Escape pack and Easter egg because I'm getting sick of it. Because it's populating YouTube with a bunch of dogs and ass cheeks videos. So please get rid of them.
White! Ah! Where's my camera? Where's my camera? Ah, yeah. Come here!
I'm protecting the viewers.
You're protecting the viewers? So you're just kidding.
Stop it, crazy one.
Yeah. My camera.
Blubby's in here. Blubby's in
My
here.
camera!
Blubby.
Who is he? Who
Blubby's
is he?
here. Blubby's in here. Where's Blubby? Blubby's in here.
Where's your yah kaboom?
He's in the room.
Oh shit! Oh shit!
I don't
Oh
know.
shit, he's gonna kill me! Oh shit! Guys, he's gonna kill me! Oh my god! Oh my god! He's gonna kill me! Oh, what do I do? What do I
Suitcase.
oh!
Suitcase. The suitcase. Don't
Well,
take it.
Time to go continue my
Where's
job.
Blubby?
Damn it.
Messed up the duping.
You have it.
My camera. I record videos on this.
Give me that.
Bro, he stole
We're
my
disconnected.
I can
Just kidding.
snatch that off.
Just kidding.
Hey,
Blubby.
man, you sad that you lost the
Yeah, I'm gonna just leave
How about
this
I give you
camera.
Hey, Blubby, can we do it
Wait,
private? Blubby, can we do
Bro.
it private? Can we do it
But
But you
private?
need to introduce yourself. Hold the camera and walk around for a while.
Yeah.
Hey, I'm snibbity bibbity bumhole. I love
Let's do
bumhole.
it private. Let's do it private.
You love bum holes, bro? Now
You
join
guys speak to each other.
Ray, yo,
My camera.
I saved my camera.
Wait,
I
my
want Blubby. I
camera.
want Blubby. I want Blubby to join.
Camera's all the way up
Why?
there. I'm gonna go get it. Come on, Harguns. I'm gonna get your.
You can't put it on spray guns.
I'm gonna get it. I'm gonna get it.
Join me.
Yeah, I'm gonna join you. Does
No!
your advertiser added?
I got it. I got
I
it. I
can
got
get it.
this. I got this. Got it.
Make sure you. Okay, just join the lobby, and I'll
Bro,
Don't
go
take
offline.
it. Don't. Do
When I
not
join.
take it.
Bro, wait. These look so similar.
Wait, yeah, it actually is kind of it.
Wait, does these have zero gravity?
I'll put the picture. Sorry if I blinded you. Yo, guys, just to make
Flashbang.
sure you can't get blinded, here's a daily challenge.
How's your camera? Like on your phone? Oh my god. Okay, buy me. Can I have that one for a sec? Or no,
Yo,
I'll use my.
this is-
I'll use my special one. I'll use my special. Don't take that camera.
Don't take these suitcases. I'm gonna dupe them.
Then don't take my camera.
I'm not gonna take your camera. Why would I take that dumb camera?
Okay. Bro, I can hear you on my phone and in game. It's so weird. You're going
Hey,
to.
don't.
All I hear on my phone is
Okay.
right now, bro.
Okay, guys.
Why do I have an empty bag in my
your
stash?
clapping and blindness session, but we're gonna keep on the video going. Oh my god! Free suitcase giveaway! Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh my god! Free suitcase giveaway! Oh my god! Oh my god!
Let's
oh
see
my
if they can
Jesus
survive
God.
this blindness test. Hey guys, flash warning.
Don't touch it! Epilepsy!
Guys, flash warning.
warning!
Wait, how is your camera gonna do?
Ah! Yeah!
Oh my god, bro, my phone was just pure whiteness.
Yo, guys, you guys are gonna go on a roller coaster. I made it.
Take my camera.
Might be a little insane. Okay. Hope you guys do good. Alright, the roller coaster is starting. It's also gonna go around me, by the way.
Wait, how do you record on this? How do you record on this? How do you record
Hope you guys
on
like
them?
my roller coaster, by the way. Also,
Oh my god, it's a free
guys,
suitcase giveaway.
tell me what's down in the sea. Okay? Comment down in the comments, anglerfish. Comment down anglerfish in the comments for a free shout out. What's in the ocean? Oh, pure whiteness. Damn. Yo, I'm gonna drop you guys. You guys float over the safe havens. There it is. Oh. Okay, just give me that. Here!
Oh! There you are!
Whoa, whoa!
Yee!
Hi!
Guys, I'm gonna put you in the secret map. Oh shit. Okay.
Oh, yes, I can.
Oh, you're gonna disconnect it.
No, I didn't.
Bro, it
disconnect
sounds
bro.
so weird.
It just sounds like sucking big, flopping, veiny dick.
Bro, I'm out of the map! Look at.
Damn.
I spawned over there. I'm gonna go put mine over by the canal. Hi!
I still see your shadows in my room. Can't take back the love that I gave you. To the point where I love and I hate you. Okay, come on guys. It's time for you to go diving. Get in my hand.
Can you see my camera? Can you see my camera over there? Right here! My camera! Where's your... I need to go get mine, bro! Mine's all the way across the map!
My camera!
Bro! My camera!
Hey you guys, watch this. Ready? Wait. Cotton swamp. Me. Camera.
Almost gross. Oh my god!
Me.
My